Welcome back to Old House Life channel. Experience the charm of this garden district in this stunning 1935 home. The spacious living and dining areas are perfect for entertaining, while the updated kitchen features new appliances and ample space for cooking. A mother-in-law suite with a renovated bathroom and new flooring provides additional living space. Other highlights include a bonus room, library, laundry room, crown molding, and fresh paint inside and out. This move-in ready home is full of charm and character. Please check out video description for more details. Thank you.